Mike McConville here again, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. One of the big issues with the pickups is you can't adjust the height. Well, here's a quick fix that'll let you take care of that problem. We're adding a little bit of adjustability to this P90 pickup by putting this foam, peel and stick foam, around the perimeter of the pickup. So we've basically now got the sound of the pickups and output is balanced. That has been brought up just a little bit closer. That foam gave us just what we needed to balance the volume on the two pickups. Okay, this is the Frankenstein guitar. This guy worked out of Woodstock, and his most notable patron, of course, is Kim Mitchell. I guess he's got a few of these guitars. Okay, so I ended up actually swapping out the original bridge for that Godot bridge, which is a much better design. This thing's intonating perfectly now, so dress the frets, of course, got a compensated nut, and it's set up for 10 to 46 strings. The switch was wired backwards, it works, I left it alone. That should be the bridge pickup, but it's actually the neck pickup. Beautiful sounding guitar. Okay, so that's the neck pickup and bridge pickup. That's our bridge pickup. Our neck pickup. And both. Pretty simple guitar, volume, tone, and pickup selector, right?